Media Channel Shorts, commentary on media trends for those on the go. If you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, you may want to have a listen. Should you get into cryptocurrencies? Does this word scare you? How about Bitcoin or Ethereum? What is the difference? Can I lose all my money? Question: what do I need to start? First off, you'll need a wallet such as a mobile wallet called Coinomy or a native wallet for the coin that you're investing in. Wallets are what stores your transactions and your private security key. You will also most likely need an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. These exchanges let you trade money between your regular fiat currency or regular dollars and your crypto coins themselves. Question: are crypto coins secure? Yes and no. They are secure in that it is unlikely that anyone will be able to crack your key, which is used to unlock the funds of your public ledger. No, in the sense that people tend to get hacked, use weak passwords on their phones, and tend to leave their coins on an exchange, which can also be hacked. You should use a secure device that isn't connected 24/7 to the internet, or use a device that can be stored in a safe, even a paper wallet. Question: will I get rich by investing in coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum? It is hard to say. Currently, the market is at a low point, and it has been since the beginning of 2018. Who is to say that it won't go lower? But just over a year ago, it has seen some of the greatest gains as well in the history of crypto coins. If you treat your coins like a stock and only invest what you can afford to lose, there is a good chance that you will make gains in the long run. Question: what is the difference between Bitcoin and other coins? Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency and was created in 2009. It is also the most popular and worth the most right now. It also has the slowest transaction times, and the technology behind it is showing its age. Other coins like Ethereum are much newer and based on different types of technologies that allow it to be quicker and more user-friendly. Your best bet is to research the coin you're interested in and see if it is a good fit for you. Question: what is mining? Mining is the process in which new coins are sought out and introduced to the blockchain. A blockchain is a public accounting ledger that tracks transactions between different users. Mining also helps secure the network and ensures that transactions are legitimate. So, should you invest in cryptocurrency? If you don't mind taking a bit of risk and you can handle the ups and downs of coin pricing, then it is something you should look at. If you want to get into it because you think it is a get-rich-quick scheme, then you probably shouldn't. Sure, you can make a much wow and head straight for the moon in a single day, but you can also have a much sad as your rocket ship explodes in midair. It certainly isn't for the faint of heart. If you want to know more, these questions and further information is available for viewing or listening in episode number 2 of the Media Channels podcast, which will be linked in the description and a thumbnail at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this Media Channel short. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the watermark in the bottom right corner and click the bell notification icon to receive updates when a new video is released.